Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of unboxing videos. This is an unboxing of Kiddie Star Links. I'm sure this is available online because this is by a brand Fun School and it's Giggles. While it says it's 12 months and above, I would suggest that you can also give it for children less than 12 months they have the habit of grabbing and grasping things at that age. So you can also introduce that just for having something in hand. They'll have something to put it in their mouth or something like that. It's very safe. It is non-toxic. It's easy to wash. You can wash it in warm water. This costed me around 149 Indian currency rupees in a local store. This could be available online. Let me check and update in the description box below. So let's get diving to see how many pieces are there. So as it says, it's got about 12 star-shaped links, 6 pairs, 2 of each color. So you can use it for matching, linking. Basically, it's not just a grasp activity for push and pull, develops even fine motor skills. That's what it says. So basically, we can get really creative with kids, even less than 1 year old, and such kind of links are also used in Montessori for hand strengthening and finger strengthening before writing activities as well. So for more such videos, I will leave in the description box below. Signing off, this is Ramya. Stay safe, have fun, bye bye.